Hi, good morning, team. So now we are going to continue our class. So, guys, in the last class, we have discussed about few topics from the sequel. Like we had covered the topic, create DDL command, like create, alter, and drop. And the same day, next day, Friday, we had started with the topic DML. In the DML, we have seen insert, update, and delete statement. Correct. Now, so today. Uh, From today onwards, guys. Now you guys have to share the screen, and from here I will guide you for the practical. Okay. The reason for the same is why? Because if any practical I will do on my screen, then I will able to perform the task because working since long time. But whether on the same manner are you able to perform the task or not? Okay. And from here I will able to check that you guys are doing the practice or not. Okay. So we will go alphabetically. So Chitra, yeah, hi Chitra.
Hi Vishnu.
Yeah, hi Chitra. So, have you done the installation of the software and the assignment?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay, now can you please share your screen?
Sure.
Now come to the open the SQL developer. Now, so here scroll down and show me this table. Just uh,
Yeah. This is
assignment
the
one.
assignment. Yeah.
Yeah, fine, fine, fine. Now wait. So every one of you have a look on the table, guys. So now here you can see the assignment is fine. Okay. So now, so in the last class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about the insert statement. So in the DML insert. Next topic in that is update statement. Okay. So before starting the update statement, I had confirmed that we will see few more scenario in the insert statement. So in the last class, guys, we have seen how to insert a value one by one. Okay. So consider one example that to insert one value if we are taking 1 minute of time. Okay, on an average. So to insert 10,000 record, how much time it will take? So guys, as per this calculation, 10,000 minutes, correct. For 1 lakh record, how much time it will take? 1 lakh minutes from this calculation. But imagine that the client told, no, I want you to insert a value within 1 minute. Then what we have to do? Then we have, do you have any solution? Answer is yes. The solution is how to insert bulk data. Okay, so consider one scenario. Imagine that first the client told that please create one more table. Like here you can see the assignment one. They told that please create one more table and insert all the value from the assignment one to the new table. Okay, then what we have to do? First we have to create a table. So Chitra, you do one thing. Simply copy the above all the syntax from the assignment one, create table syntax. Easy. Go slowly. Copy, then come down, Control C, click down somewhere. No. So just change the table name. Like create table assignment one you had mentioned. So just change the table name like create table Tata, Mahindra or anything. No. Sim- Simply execute it. Execute it. No, no, you can execute the syntax first. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't execute. Hold on. So, guys, there are two options to execute the syntax. Option one, which we are doing now, like we have selected all the syntax and executed. Correct. Okay. And option two is what? Click outside anywhere, Chitra. Anywhere on the syntax. Keep cursor anywhere on the syntax. Now just do control enter. Just type control enter. Now guys. So this is the second approach. Okay, you can see we have got the notification at the very down data created. Okay, that's so here you can see the table is created already. Now, so if you guys want to see your table, you have to just mention select star from table name. Just type select star from table name. Now execute it. Have a look on the output window, guys. So here you can see first the table is created. Okay. Now what we have to do? So imagine that the requirement is that we have to insert all the value from the assignment one to the new table, like in the data. So how we can insert? So just for that, observe your previous syntax which we have written. Okay, like insert into table name. First, what we have to mention? Insert into table name. So click down and mention on the same manner. Insert into table name. Okay, insert into table name. And then at the last time, you can see for the syntax, what we have written, we have used a keyword called values, values. Okay, so if we are inserting a value one by one, then we have to use a keyword values, values. But if we are going to insert a bulk data, then what we have to do? Then we have to use a keyword value, value. Okay, so just mention value, va. Okay, and then and then what we have to do? We have to just mention uh, insert into table name value as yes as select star from uh, select star from. Here we have to mention old table name from where we want to insert a value. So you can just mention assignment one. Now that's it. So wait. Just remove the keyword as. Simply remove the keyword as. Now open the bracket. In place of as, mention open the bracket, and at the last close the bracket before semicolon. Now execute it. Now observe the data in the output window. Just read the very last line in the output window. So here you can see we got the notification, 7 rows inserted. So on the same manner, if we will have 10,000 records, then here we will get the notification 10,000 row inserted. Okay. So here you can see how much time it has taken, fraction of second. So for the 10,000 record, it will take some time. Some time means what? Means hardly 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, not more than that. Because execution takes longer time if we have higher volume of data, which we have discussed during data warehouse theory part. Correct. So the same thing is. So here you can see 7 rows inserted. If you guys want to see your data, just execute Chitra, select star from Tata. Already it is there at the second last line, top. Just execute the same syntax. No need to write down every time. Now here you can see guys, all the record has been inserted. Okay. Now if anyone, any question, anyone, any question guys? Okay. Silence means no question. So now, so this is the insert statement. Then the next topic we are we are going we are going to start with the update statement. So just type update. Now, so guys, what is update statement? So with the help of update statement, guys, we can update existing data in the table. With the help of update statement, we can update existing data in the table. Okay. Now consider one example that this data table. Imagine that this is the list of all the employees who are working in Wipro. Okay, so that is fine. So these all records are getting maintained by the HR, and HR is mentioning all the information like all the candidate, all the employee ID, candidate name, okay, and so on. Just press enter, remove this, press enter simply because I'm getting this notification. Yeah, fine. Now the table is properly visible. So consider example that these all are the list of all the employees who are working in Wipro and the HR is maintaining this data. Okay, so that is fine. We can see the table. It is contain employee ID, name, Aadhaar card, salary, commission, location, gender, and marks. So that is also fine. So here you can see, guys, just observe your ID1. ID1 name is Aditi. Okay, so imagine that the client came and the client told that last time you guys had mentioned the information for ID1, it is Aditi, which is wrong. Actually, by mistake, we had confirmed that ID1 is Aditi. Actually, ID1 is not Aditi. ID1 is John. Okay, just update it. Then what we have to do? We have to update it. Correct. We have to update it. How we can make the changes? So guys, we can make the changes by using update statement only. And the syntax for the same is you have to just mention update table name. Press enter first. Maintain some gap between the topic and the syntax. Yeah. Now mention update table name. You have to mention update table name. Update is spelling rectify Madi. Yeah. Fine. Update first we have to mention update table name. So table name is starter. Now press enter. Mention set. Just press enter. Set set. And then, guys, we have to mention the column name, which column we want to set. Okay, which column we want to set. So imagine that if you want to make any changes in the ID column, then you have to mention ID. If you want to make any change in the name column, then you have to mention name. If you want to make any changes in the Aadhaar card column, then you have to mention Aadhaar card. Means that we have to mention the column name in which column we want to make change. So here we want to make change a name in the name column. We can just mention name, set name, name. Set name equal to what? So name equal to John. Name is equal to John. And John is what, guys? So John is a character value. And in the last class, what we have discussed, that if we are passing any character value, then we have to give single quote. It is mandatory. Correct. So for the John, give single quote at the beginning and at the last. Correct. Now observe your syntax. Right? So here what we have written, update table name and then set name equal to John. But still I didn't inform the SQL that for whom I want to make changes. So that too we have to inform. So how we will inform? So guys, we have to just mention for that where cloud. Okay, we have to mention where cloud. So press enter and mention where ID equal to 1. Semicolon executed. Put semicolon and select the entire syntax because before that one topic is there. Na? Now, observe the data in the output window, very last line. You can, very last line. First observe the data, very last line. You can see one row updated. Means some changes happen. If you guys want to see your table, just execute select star from table name. Now you execute select star from data and have a look on the output window, guys. So now here you can see in the output window for ID 1, it has been changed to John. Okay. Now, anyone, any question, guys? Okay. Silence means no question. So the name is John, guys. It has been changed. So definitely John is not a female name. Correct. You can see the very last column, gender it is showing female. Just click on that. Yeah. You can see it is showing female. John is not a female. John will be male. So what we have to do? Imagine that we want to change for the gender column also. How we can make the changes now? So guys, we have to make the changes on the same manner. Just observe the previous syntax. Just little change we have to do. So the syntax for this image, we have to just mention update table name. So just type update data, update data. Then what we have to do? Oh, no, no, one name, hold on. Let me explain that thing. Let's go slowly. So now, first we have to mention update table name. And then what we have to do? So guys, we have to mention use a keyword called set. So just type set. After set, what we have to do? So guys, after set, we have to mention the column name. In which column we want to make changes. Correct. So this time we want to make changes in the gender column. So we have to just mention gender equal to male. Gender equal to male. And male is what? So male is a character value. So we have to give single quote for the male. So just give single quote. And as usual, at the last we will inform the SQL that for whom we want to make changes. So just press enter, mention where ID equal to 1 semicolon. Now execute it, press shortcut control enter, do control enter. Now you can see guys, one row updated. Okay, in the real time scenario, most of the time, not most only, every time, 99% time, you guys have to use the shortcut control enter. So it will save the time. Now you can see one row updated. If you guys want to see your table, you have to just mention select star from table name. Yeah, execute it and have a look on the output window. Now you can see for the John, the gender has been changed to male. Okay, now anyone, any question? Anyone, any question, guys?
Yes, Vishnu, I'm Shri. I just want to know how we can identify the change. Like if someone comes and they will
Mm-hmm.
not know that John was changed from female to male, right? Where can we
Yeah, correct,
see all
correct.
this change?
Okay, okay. So here, the option is first, the table has been made permanent changes on the table. Okay, then the information has made permanent changes on the table. So directly on this table, if you want to observe the differences, means the changes, it is not possible because the information has been overwritten. Okay, so this is one option. Second option is no, actually it is my requirement that I want to know the changes. Okay, client told now I want to know. Then we have to come with a solution. So what is the solution? So first, you don't have to make changes directly on the first table. You have to create second table, one more table. Like you can see, we have created previously one assignment one and the Tata, correct. So assignment one and Tata was the same to same information, and in the Tata we are making the changes, correct. Not in the assignment one. Up to clear up to here.
Yes.
Okay, so now the actual changes in the Tata table only, not in the assignment one. So how we can able to see? So we will able to see by using minus operator. Okay, by using the minus operator. So that is also our coming topic. Just for your information, I will just for your knowledge, I will show you now only. Okay, not now means by using minus operator, and the topic will be under set operator. Okay. That is our coming topic only. But option is possible. Not directly on the same table, but we have to make sure that we have a backup table also. Then only we can see the differences. Okay. Imagine that if you don't have any backup table, then not possible. Okay. Oh, now, anyone else also, guys, having any question? Okay. Silence means no question. Then I have a question, guys. Lokesh, can you please unmute yourself? And imagine that we want to make changes for ID2, name is Anjali. For her, we want to change the location column. In place of Chennai, we want to make it UK. Can you please tell me the syntax? What will be the syntax? Chitra, you have to type only syntax, which you will get it from the team. Okay. Lokesh, unmute Mali.
Yes, sir. In the name of Anjali, we have to change the location from Chennai to
UK.
which location? UK. Okay.
UK. UK.
Update. Okay, sir. Update data. Set name. Single quote Anjali. Name equal to Anjali. Sorry. Location equal to UK. Set location equal to UK. Where ID equal to 2. Semicolon. This will change the location from Chennai to UK, sir.
We have to give this single quote here.
No, location equal to UK. Single quote. We have to give single quote on UK. Yes.
Now, guys, have a look on the output window. So here you can see we got the notification. Thank you so much. We got the notification that one row updated. Okay, if you guys want to see your table, you have to just mention select start from table name. Execute that thing. Select start from table name. Now. So now. So anyone, any question, guys? Okay, silence means no question. Then Balaji, can you please update for the ID3, Joshna? Can you please change the marks from 84 to 98?
84 to 19. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
So update data. Set marks equal to 89. 89. Okay. Uh, that single quotes, please.
Oh, this is numerical, right? So
Numerical, right? Sorry, sorry. Okay, that's okay. That's fine. Okay, then where ID is equal to 3. Yeah. Select it, execute it, and select from, yeah, select from data. We can see the table. Select from, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, guys. Now have a look on the output window. So here you can see we got the result. Okay. Now, anyone, any question? Okay. Silence means no question. Then now next we are going to see delete statement. Just type the topic. Delete. Now, so guys, what is the delete statement? So with the help of delete statement, we can delete the data from the table. With the help of delete statement, we can delete any data from the table. Okay, consider one example. Imagine that this is a list of all the employees who are working in Wipro. So that is fine, but these people will not be in the same organization for the entire life. Okay, the moment they will get the better offer, definitely they will leave the organization. Definitely, they will leave the organization. So the moment they will leave the organization, at that time, what the HR needs to do? So guys, HR need to delete the data. Otherwise, simply they will keep receiving the salary. Correct. Then how they can delete it? So they can delete it by using delete statement. Okay. So they can use it by using delete statement. And the syntax for the same is we have to just mention delete from. Just type delete from table name. What is the table name? So guys, table name is Tata. So just mention Tata. Delete from Tata. And then now, what we have to delete? So that too we have to inform the SQL. Now you can just mention where ID equal to. Now imagine that who has left the organization? So John left the organization. So you can just mention where ID equal to 1. Semicolon executed. And have a look on the output window. Now you can see we got the result, one row deleted. If you guys want to see your table, we have to just mention select star from table. बच्चा लोग के लिए आता है. So here we have to say just start select star from table. Now have a look on the output window. So record deleted. Okay. Now anyone? Okay, now you can see record deleted. This is called deleted statement, guys. Okay, now for better understanding, we will see one more example. So imagine after some time, Ravi also left the organization. Okay,
How much again?
okay. So imagine after some time, Ravi also left the organization. So what the HR needs to do? So HR need to delete his detail also from the table. Correct. So how we can delete it? So we can delete it by using delete statement. So what is the syntax? So entire syntax will be same to same. Just observe your previous syntax. You can see we have to just mention delete from table name. Delete from table name where ID equal to 6. ID equal to 6. Now have a look on the output window. That execute just write copy the same syntax from the top and paste it down also. So you need not to come every time top. Control C, paste it down. Now executed. And have a look on the output window, guys. You can see we got the result. Okay. So ID6 is deleted. So what is delete statement? So with the help of delete statement, we can delete any specific data from the table. Okay. Now anyone, any question? Anyone, any question, guys? Okay. Silence means no question. Then now, Nirmala, I have a question for you. Can you please unmute yourself? And imagine that after some time, Priyanka also left the organization. So, can you please tell what will be the syntax for the same? Priyanka, what will be the syntax? Priyanka?
Maybe Tulja can answer, I guess.
Okay, no problem. Tulja, can you please take the
Yeah,
attempt?
I'm here. So It's like delete from table name data where ID is equal to 7 semicolon. Now control N and then select.
Now, guys, have a look on the output window. So here you can see we got the result. Okay. So what is a delete statement? So with the help of delete statement, we can delete any specific data from the table. Okay, that is fine. Now imagine that now we want to delete all the data from the table. Okay, so that how we can delete it. So guys, that's how we can delete it by using delete statement only. Okay, and the syntax for the same will be now maintain some gap between the two syntax. So just to avoid the confusion, no, press enter. Okay, there is no mistake guys without putting gap also. We can mention, we can write down. But just for the better understanding, as you guys are very fresher, that's why I'm putting some gap. Okay, now so that is fine. So next. So how we can delete all the data from the table? So guys, we can delete it by using delete statement only. And what will be the syntax? So here we have to just mention delete from table name. Now just type delete from table name. And no need to mention where clause or any condition. Okay, just put semicolon and execute it. Now, so here you can see, just observe the data in the output window, guys. So here you can see, we got the notification, 4 row deleted. Okay, 4 rows deleted. So in the table, if you will have 10,000 records, then here you will get the notification, 10,000 records deleted. Okay, if you guys want to see your table, just execute, select star from table name. Now have a look on the output window. So what is the delete statement? So with the help of delete statement, we can delete any specific data from the table, or we can delete all the data from the table. With the help of delete statement, we can delete any specific data from the table, or we can delete all the data from the table. Okay. Now, anyone, any question, guys? Anyone, any question? Okay. Silence means no question. So there is one more approach also. That is called truncate. Okay, truncate statement. So what is the truncate? So for that, first show me the table assignment one. Now just type select star from assignment one. Just type select star from assignment one. Manually you can type no issue. Your previous table. Semicolon executed. No. Suppose not that. No. So guys, every one of you just have a look on the output window. So here you can see we have the record. So we have the table. Imagine that we want to delete all the data from the table. So what is the approach? So approach one is that we can just mention delete from table name, like delete from assignment one. So all the record will get deleted. Correct. But now imagine that here we will go with the another approach. Another approach is update statement. Sorry, truncate statement. Okay. So what is the truncate statement? So with the help of truncate also we can delete all the data from the table. Okay. Just type topic truncate. Just type truncate. Truncate. Now, so what will be the syntax for the same? So syntax will be truncate table. Just type truncate table, table name. Table name. So truncate table assignment 1. Truncate table assignment 1. Now semicolon executed. Sorry, just remove the keyword called table. Just mention truncate assignment 1. Sorry. Select the syntax first. It will be truncate table, table name only. I feel that you have done this. Wait. Just type truncate table, table name. Okay, truncate table. What the syntax was earlier, mention the same thing. Just do Control Z. Do Control Z, you will get it back. Now, select the entire syntax first. And now execute. Now, hold on. So guys, you have seen, last time she has written the correct syntax, truncate table, table name. And so I was doing the Control Enter. So at that time, it was throwing error. Okay, why? What was the issue? Why it was not working properly? The reason for the same is because the above one is mentioned topic, and there is no closure of the statement for this by using semicolon. Correct. So the SQL was considering topic also as a statement, and the entire syntax was getting selected. So that's why it was throwing error. But actual syntax is only the last line. Correct. So that's why. Now here we have the semicolon at the last. So next line syntax will execute by using. It can execute by using shortcut key also. Okay, now, so here you can see we had mentioned truncate table, table name. So we got the notification, table truncated. Okay, truncated means what? The data deleted, guys. Now, if you guys want to see your record, just mention select star from table name and have a look on the output window. Okay, you can see we got the notification, record deleted. Now, guys, have a look on the output window. So here you can see all the data is deleted, guys. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, so what is truncate statement? So with the help of truncate also, we can delete all the data from the table. Now, anyone, any question?
Vishnu, I'm not clear with this truncate, this thing. Can you please help me with this?
Yeah, sure. So, guys, what is a truncate statement? So, with the help of truncate statement also, we can delete actually all the data from the table. With the help of truncate statement also, we can delete all the data from the table. Okay, in a one go. So, this is the interview question also. That with the help of truncate, we can delete all the data from the table. With the help of delete also, we can delete all the data from the table. Then what is the difference between truncate and delete? Okay, or in the on Friday class, you guys have seen the drop statement also. So what is the difference between drop also? So what is the difference between delete, drop, and truncate? Okay, so that we are going to see now only. So here you can just mention the first topic, delete. Just press enter, mention delete. Now, point number one. Now, first point. So you can just type with the help of delete. With the help of delete, we can delete any specific data from the table. With the help of delete, we can delete any specific data from the table, or we can delete all the data from the table. Okay. With the help of delete, With the help of delete, we can delete any specific data from the table, or we can delete all the data from the table. Okay. Now, anyone, any question? Now, so point number two. So now here only with the help of delete, we can delete any specific data from the table. Okay. And next line you can mention delete command. Delete command supports where clause. Delete command supports where clause. Where clause. Where clause. Point number three. It only deletes the data from the table. It only deletes data from the table. Our table structure will remain same. It will only delete the data from the table. Our table structure will remain same. Next point. It is non-auto commit command. It is non-auto. Sorry, it is correct. It is non-auto commit command. Non-auto commit command, comma, means whatever the data we have deleted, we can get it back. Now, whatever the data we have deleted, we can get it back. Point number five, it deletes the data one by one. It deletes the data one by one in the backend. One by one in backend. Backend. Comma. So it's having low performance. So it's having low performance. What does it mean, guys? It deletes the data one by one, so it is having low performance. So it means, guys, like consider one example. Imagine that in a table I have 10 records and I want to delete all the data from the table. Okay. And I have written the syntax delete from table name where delete from table name semicolon and executed. Then what will happen? All the data will deleted. Correct. How in the backend it is getting deleted? So guys, it's in the delete statement. First it will delete the first record in the backend, then second record, then third record, then fourth record, then fifth record. Means one by one in the backend the record will be deleted. That's why it is having low performance. Okay. Now press enter, mention the next point, truncate. Now you can just mention with the help of truncate, with the help of truncate, we cannot delete, with the help of truncate, we cannot delete any specific data from the table. With the help of truncate, we cannot delete any specific data from the table. The table, comma, comma, because it doesn't support where clause. Because it doesn't support where clause. Okay, second point. With the help of truncate, we can delete all the data from the table. With the help of delete, we can delete all the data. Sorry, with the help of truncate. Pardon my mistake. With the help of truncate, we can delete all the data from the table. Point number three is same to same. As like delete, you can see it deletes only data from the table. Table structure remains same. Same to same thing here also. Just simply copy paste. Now, correct. Now, the fourth point we can just mention it is auto commit command. Delete command is what? It is non-auto, and truncate is what? It is auto commit command. It is auto commit command. Means what? Means here. It is auto commit command, comma. No, no, the same line continue. Mali. It is auto commit command, comma. Means whatever the data we have deleted, whatever the data we have deleted, we cannot get it back. Now, point number five, it deletes all the data in one go. It deletes all the data in one go. So it's having high performance. So it's having high performance. What does it mean? So guys, it means you can say, imagine that in a table, I have 10 records. Okay. And I want to delete all the data from the table. So I had written the syntax truncate table, table name. Then what will happen? All the data will be deleted. That is fine. But here in the backend, what will happen? It will delete all the data in one go. So that's why it's having high performance. Consider one example that in a table I have 10 record and I want to delete all the data from the table. So I have written the syntax truncate table, table name. So in one go, all the data from the backend, in the backend also, all the data will be deleted in one go. So that's why it is having sorry, high performance. Okay. Now, anyone, any question? Okay, then the next one is drop. Now, just mention delete drop. So you can just mention with the help of drop, with the help of drop, we can uh, come to the SQL, open the SQL. Now, you can just mention with the help of drop, we can drop the table from the database. With the help of drop, with the help of drop, we can drop the table from the database. With the help of drop, we can drop the table. Okay. Now, point number two. Point number two. It is auto. Sorry. With the help of drop, we can drop the table from the database. We can just mention it will drop table data. It will drop table data, including structure. Okay. It will drop table data, including structure. Including structure. Point number three, it is auto commit command. 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 Comma means once the table is lost, means once the table is lost, we cannot get it back. We cannot get it back. Okay. So the last point which you can see, the point number 4 you had been, okay, just mention. Point number 4, remove the numerical value 4 and mention in the same line, in the line number 3 only, by putting comma, because it is a single statement. Comma means the MEANS means continue. Before once mention means it is auto commit command, comma, after comma, mention means MEANS. No, that's it. Now guys, anyone, any questions? Okay, silence means no question. Just maintain the same silence in the interview also. Direct you guys will get offer later. Okay, and wish you guys a very happy Republic Day. Again, we will connect tomorrow. Same time, same link.